How many trials?
I see 1, 2, 3.
Oh, she got 3 sales. Awesome.
Yep,
All
that's
right.
3 sales, and one of them
Yeah.
upgraded instead of waiting for the trial, they went straight into the funnel builder, which puts her at
Beautiful.
$20 a month. So there you go, hon. You
Wow.
know,
Just
there's
by getting
really not
started.
much you could do unless you are connected with them on Facebook, and that takes time, right? Because not everybody is on Facebook, and you have to create a way that you could reach out to them personally, send out an email, and introduce yourself and say you're their sponsor and you are available to help them out. You want them to join this group and you want them to be a part of the training. So make sure
Oh,
that
wait a
they're
minute.
taking full advantage
This
of
is
that
this isn't
training.
MLM or network marketing. It's not a sponsor.
No, well, she's the referring affiliate. You know what
There
I
you
mean?
go.
Like,
There you
yeah,
go.
in her program. So
That's
yes,
that old
exactly.
MLM network marketing is still in your blood.
Exactly. Like what I do, my process is every time I get a lead, I follow up with them a certain way. We don't have the same conversation as I do with my buyers. My buyers, we have a different kind of conversation. And what I do is I send out welcome emails, and my welcome emails are pretty laid out straight. It's like, here, this is who I am. I'm happy to have you on my team. And the basics is like 1, 2, 3, follow these steps, point, guide, direct, right? And I tell them where to go, how to join the group, wait for the admin to approve them, and get on the first fast start training for that group. That's important.
Absolutely.
That's all you can do. Yeah, all of
Definitely.
them. Exactly. Do it with all of them. Absolutely. All of them.
If you were on the last week's hot seat, I did some screen sharing and I share some information on when you build a list, how you
Mhm.
could take those leads that are buyers and put them in a
Yes.
buyer's list, right? That's a little bit more advanced, but it's really good to understand because you get to communicate also with your buyers, because there's training going on, with programs that you sign people up on and
Mhm.
they're learning different things, but it's great to actually have you send a message and say, hey, look, this is what's going on. Are you on the call? And if you were, like the next day, hey, how'd it go? How was the call? Right. So it's really
Right.
good, different strategies that you can implement in your business, to really effectively,
Yes.
build more trust with those buyers.
Exactly. So it's very good that you actually got some sales, and you just got to be patient. You got to wait. You got to wait to see what happens, because if they're just
Wait a minute.
trials, it's just no telling when, like, the other person actually wants to upgrade. And
You got
being that,
sales.
yeah. And
She just
here's the
started.
thing. I know she just got started and then she made sales,
Oh,
right?
yeah, that's because she's on our team. That's
It's a
why.
good thing. Exactly. When you're on Ace Rich's team, that's what happens. But we want to make sure that you understand that it's important to be well positioned. Okay. So that way you could capitalize on the highest profit potential. So this is why we have all in members on Ace and Rich's team, because that's how you're going to make the big bucks.
Yeah. I mean, think about it. It's like if you're in that position and you're not really having that potential to earn the back end commissions and making even more money,
Exactly.
then it's like it's the same amount of work, but you get paid more.